Hey guys, how's it going? So today I'm going to make a chocolate chia pudding recipe because I want to help people get rid of the junk food, get rid of the sweets. So I'm going to do a series. Every week I'm going to do a healthy recipe, and if you master these recipes, you can replace like all your chocolate needs just with this chocolate pudding. It is so delicious, so satisfying. It's only 3 ingredients, 4 if you count water, and it's just amazing. Like, why do you need to go buy artificial chocolate bars or anything from the store when you can make whole raw desserts in minutes in your home? So eventually I'm going to come up with a recipe book, and I want to have 3 dessert recipes, 3 salad meal recipes, 3 fruit, high calorie, dense fruit meals that people can turn to, and 3 maybe gourmet raw recipes for the dehydrator. But that will be all we need, and you can expand upon or change or alter any of the recipes to suit your needs, right? But I prefer simplicity. I prefer just health, and the less of a digestive nightmare you give your body, like the less ingredients, the better it's going to be for you. So let's go make this chia chocolate pudding. It is so good.
Today we're making chocolate chia pudding. The ingredients: 8 tablespoons of chia seeds, 24 dates, sometimes I use a little bit more, and 4 tablespoons of raw carob powder, and water.
Cut this recipe in half. If you'd like smaller amounts, I'm just making enough for a few days. Let's make chia pudding. What I like to do is to just divide it into these little perfect containers for snack sizes. I want to help people realize how easy this lifestyle truly is. So I've got all these chocolate puddings. Woohoo! So good, so healthy, so delicious, so satisfying. They don't contain cacao, which is a toxin to the body. It contains theobromine. It's a burden to the body. We don't want to be eating cacao, guys. We want to be eating, carob is a much better option. So now I'm going to put these in the fridge. I have 4 little containers. I'm going to put these in the fridge for about an hour or less, and enjoy. Look at how nice and creamy this is. It's amazing. I love chocolate pudding.